Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. This vehicle does have the 5.3 liter V8. It does have cloth seats. It is a 6-passenger, so this will fold up for the 6-passenger. You do have power adjustable pedals, traction control, cargo light, parking assist, which just lets you know if you're getting too close to something. Also, this vehicle does have universal home remote for your garage door openers, and then the power sliding rear window right there. This is what the dash looks like. Also, it does have tow haul mode, your cruise control buttons, and then your voice command buttons, and then for Bluetooth to end a phone call, you just click that. And it also turns the volume off for the radio. If we take a look on the outside, this vehicle does have the silver ice exterior color. It does have tinted windows, and then it does have different wheels. This vehicle does have a soft tonneau cover. It does have a drop-in bed liner. And if we take a look in the back seat, this is what the back seat looks like. Also, you can fold the seats up. That is all I have on the Silverado. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.